Hey everybody, this is Mr. Roche. We are here. We're going to try to GitHub our current version of the game. I even have it here that we're at this exact point, and I'll give you this code where we're trying to define our priorities, whatever. But here it goes. Okay, here's what you do to GitHub this. Okay, we're going to just do what we normally do. When we init, but we're going to not init, we're going to just kind of use what we already have. And Git's already attached to your folder. Okay, so I have this in the Painting Project Spring right here, this folder, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to call up GitHub and go there. Okay, so I'm going to go terminal, tolerance to terminal window. Okay, and let me make this bigger so you can see it. Okay, and basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to CD over to where GitHub is. Okay, so on my computer it's in Documents. Okay, it's in Workspace. Here I can show you. It's like here. So if I go Documents, and I go to Workspace, and I go to I just have to get to this, right? This is all my this is my project, okay, and I already have this like GitHub, and we've already done this, so you just have to get to these places to get this to be. Okay, so I CD Documents, I CD Workspace, and then I'm just going to go to CD Pente Project Spring. Okay, and then oopie, it's not there. What happened to it? I didn't go to the right place. Pente Project Spring. I didn't spell it right. So it's in Documents. I didn't go to Workspace yet, so it's a CD Workspace. Okay, and then like if I do ls here, I can see Pente Project Spring. That's good. So I go to CD Pente Project Spring, like that. And then if I do an ls, I'm right where I want to be. That's all the stuff that was in that file. Okay, and then what I've got to do is I need to use GitHub. So when you initialize like a repository, we say git init. We don't have to say that now. So I'm just going to do it this way. I'm going to say git add dot. Okay, and it's going to add some stuff. That's fine. And I'm going to say git commit. I'm just using like some of the commands we've used before. Okay, more positions on May 2nd, something like that. Okay, and it's doing this, and it tells you what you're going to do, and then you say git push origin master. Okay, and then I'll just sort of push them up. Okay, and that's it, and it comes back. So all you have to do is you have to say git add star, git commit, put a quote in there because we're using the -m attribute, and then you just say git push origin master. So those three commands, git add, git commit, and git push origin master will update your file. Okay, and that's it.